This video is going to show you how to save your Inventor Model Dragster to a .stl file, which will allow us to create a 3D printed version of it. So with your drawing open, the first thing you want to do is go File, Save As, until the menu pops up to the side, and go Save Copy As. When this pops up, you are going to, where it says Save As Type, you're going to click here and go from the bottom up and go to STL, and then go to Options, and make sure under Format it says Binary. Under Units, it should say millimeters, and under Resolution, it should say medium. And then click OK. And then change the file name to your first and last name with no space between it. And then the save in location, you should go click on Save In, find the drop folder, so it looks like this. Scroll all the way down to find your teacher's name. In this instance, it would be Terry Bostrom. Double click on it. Find whatever grade you're in. We're going to do 7th grade for the Dragster. Double click on it, and then choose your color. I like black, so I'm going to double click and put it in the black folder and hit Save. Once that's completed, you would then tell your teacher that you have it done.